Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to create a collage in Photoshop. To begin, open Photoshop and create a new document with the dimensions you want for your collage. Make sure it's suitable for your design. So let's create a new document. We'll choose this one. And then of course, I will add a ruler in the middle so that I can create the perfect collage for my images. Now, import the images you want to include in your collage. You can do this by going to File and then click Place Embedded. Now we need to choose the photos or images you want to add in your collage. So first, this one. And then we will resize the photo just like that. Once you're satisfied, click on the check here, and then we will do the same thing with the other images. So adjust again and then click on so you can rearrange and resize your images as needed. Use the Move tool to drag and position them on your canvas. You can also use the free transform options to adjust the size and rotation. Now, if you want to add text or graphics to your collage, select the Text tool, this one, and click on your canvas to add text. Customize the font, size, and color as desired. You can also use the Shape tools to include shapes and graphics. Once you're satisfied with your collage, don't forget to save your work. Go to File and click on Save As to save it in your preferred format. And that's it. You now know how to create a collage in Photoshop. It's a fantastic way to combine images and graphics into a visually appealing composition. Before you go, remember to let your creativity shine through. Collages are about your personal style and imagination, so don't be afraid to experiment. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to create a collage in Photoshop. See you on my next video.